Hormones in animals. What is hormones? Hormones are chemical substance secreted by endocrine gland. There are two type of gland, endocrine and exocrine. First of all, we should know that what is endocrine gland. What is gland? Gland, a cell, a tissue or an organ secrete useful chemical compound required for particular function. So what is the function of gland? Gland is a cell, tissue or an organ which secrete useful chemical compounds required for particular function. Okay, so there are two type of gland, endocrine and exocrine gland. Endocrine gland, these gland which lack ducts and pass their secretion into the blood. They don't have any duct for secreting enzymes and put their secretion into the blood. Means hormones are secreted by endocrine gland which do not flow by any duct. They pass directly into the blood stream for transport to site of action. Endocrine gland directly secrete the hormones into the blood and transport to site of action. These secretion are called as hormones. For example, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, parathyroid gland, etc. These are endocrine gland which secrete hormones into the blood stream, and through blood stream it transport to the site of action where they have to perform. Next is exocrine gland. These gland have duct. Exocrine gland have ducts for secretion, for discharging their secretion. For example, sweat gland, salivary gland, gastric gland, liver, etc. They secreted through ducts. Okay, so these are the difference between endocrine and exocrine gland. Now hormones. So endocrine gland secretes hormones. Hormones is secreted by endocrine gland. Hormones are chemical substance secreted by endocrine gland in one part of the body and are carried by blood to another part of the body where they stimulate or inhibit a specific physiological process. Glands are responsible for performing a specific physiological process. The cells of endocrine gland release hormones into the bloodstream, and the blood carries these hormones from the site of production to the site of action. This blood carries the hormones from the site of production to the site of action. Okay, now let's discuss about various types of gland and the hormones secreted by that glands. First is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is present at the top of the kidney. So this is the structure of kidney, and adrenal gland is present at the top of the kidney as a cap-like structure. Okay, here you can see kidney. On the top of the kidney, adrenal gland is present like this. Okay, so these are a pair of kidney. There are a pair of kidney glands situated on the upper side of each kidney. It is termed as emergency hormones. Okay, it is termed as emergency hormones. In normal situation, these hormones secreted in a small amount in normal situation. However, when a person faces stress, danger during emergency condition, when person faces stress, danger, they are secreted in large amount and calm down our body. During adverse condition, adrenal glands secrete lots of adrenaline enzyme, and which slow down the process. Like this, what are the functions? They increase the heartbeat to supply more oxygen to muscles. It helps the body to control blood sugar. It regulates blood pressure. It helps to calm down. It controls breathing rate due to contraction of diaphragm and rib muscles. So that's why it is called emergency hormones, because during adverse condition like stress, danger, they secreted in large amount and calm down our body, increase the heartbeat to supply more oxygen. It helps the body to control blood sugar level. It regulates our blood pressure. It controls our breathing rate. due to contraction of diaphragm and rib muscles. Okay. Next is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland secretes thyroxine hormones. It is the largest endocrine gland in our body. It is situated in the neck region and secretes hormones thyroxine. It is present in the neck region. Thyroid gland is present in the neck region. Okay, it is the largest endocrine gland and secretes thyroxine hormones. Now, iodine is essential for the synthesis of thyroxine. In the absence of iodine, thyroid gland does not stimulate the production of thyroxine hormone. That's why iodine is essential for our body, because it stimulates the production of thyroxine hormones. The iodine stimulates the thyroid gland, which secrete the thyroxine hormones. But in the absence of iodine, when we take lack amount of iodine, then our thyroid gland does not properly stimulate the thyroxine hormones. Now, what are the functions? It regulates thyroxine hormones, regulate metabolism for body metabolism, for body growth. Okay, regulate blood sugar level. Now, iodine is essential for the synthesis of thyroxine. In case of iodine is deficient, if there is lack of iodine in our body, in our diet, causes goiter. So, deficiency of iodine causes goiter. In case of it causes enlargement of thyroid gland. Swollen neck is one of the symptom. Glands get swollen, so this is the symptoms of goiter disease. So, due to the deficiency of iodine, it causes goiter disease. Okay. Next is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is called master gland of the body. It is present just below the brain. It is small red grey pea-shaped gland. And pituitary gland secrete growth hormones. Growth hormones is one of the hormones secreted by the pituitary gland. As its name indicates, growth hormones regulate growth and development of body. As its name indicates, growth hormones regulate growth and development of body. Now, improper secretion of growth hormones causes dwarfism. Means deficiency of growth hormones. Lack of growth, deficiency of growth hormones can cause dwarfism. Improper secretion of growth hormones causes dwarfism. Deficiency of growth hormones causes dwarfism. If there is a deficiency of these hormones during childhood, it leads to dwarfism. Less secretion of growth hormones causes dwarfism, and the excess secretion of growth hormones in adults causes giantism. Okay, so pituitary gland is pituitary gland secretes growth hormones. Growth hormones is responsible for growth and development of the body. Less secretion of growth hormones causes dwarfism, and the excess amount of secretion of growth hormones causes giantism. Now, next is pancreas. It lies below the stomach. Pancreas lies below the stomach. In this picture, you can see here, pituitary gland is present below the brain. It is a pea-shaped structure. Okay, now you can see the pancreas. Pancreas is present just below the kidney, stomach. Pancreas is present just below the stomach. Okay. Now it lies below the stomach and pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. It secrete hormones, namely insulin. Pancreas secrete insulin and glycogen. Okay. Now we know that pancreas is the only gland which secrete endocrine as well as exocrine. Act as an endocrine and exocrine gland. Exocrine gland, in the process of digestion, it secreted pancreatic juice, which is useful for digestion process. And endocrine gland, it produces hormones, insulin hormones and glycogen. So, insulin hormones regulate the blood sugar level. Deficiency of insulin hormones cause a disease called diabetes. Deficiency of insulin hormones increase the blood sugar level. When pancreas are not capable to stimulate does not secrete insulin in proper amount, then the sugar level in blood get increased and it causes diabetes. In this disease, patient excrete sugar in urine, feels excessive thirst and also does excessive urination and got tired very easily, very soon. Okay, so pancreas secrete insulin hormones which regulate the blood sugar level. That when in the deficiency of insulin, blood sugar level get increased, and due to increase of blood sugar level, sugar get released, excrete outside of the body through urination, and person feels excessive thirst, tired, and also does excessive urination. Okay, and in diabetic patient get weight loss, get tired very easily. Next is glycogen. Its function is to increase the concentration of glucose into the bloodstream. It causes the liver to convert stored glycogen into glucose, which is released into bloodstream. Okay, next is testes. This is male hormones. In male, a pair of testes are present. They secrete male sex hormone, which is called testosterone. So testosterone is the male hormones. Okay, a pair of testes are present in male which secrete male sex hormones, testosterone. Next is ovaries. A pair of ovaries lies in the abdomen in female. They secrete female sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone. So in female, female sex hormones is produced from the ovaries, and two hormones are secreted, estrogen and progesterone. So it's all about animals' hormones.